Welcome to the province of Guimaras! Wow, hello guys. Hey, what's up guys? Today nga pupunta tayo sa Guimaras for a land and island tour. And when I say this day was packed, ang ibig sabihin doon ay walang pahinga at puro adventure. Ferry? Check. Island views? Check. Mga gandang tanawin? Check na check. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Let's go! Time check, it's 6:30. Ayan, paboard tayo sa ferry. Excited! Honestly, there's something about riding a ferry that just resets your brain. Yung simoy ng hangin, yung tunog ng makina, that main character energy starting to the horizon like you're in a travel movie. And cheesy, no? So as soon as we arrive at Hordan Port, sinalubong na kami ng aming tour guide, si Kuya Doming and si Stephen. They're already waiting for us. There's no stress, no confusion, no hassle. We just went straight to adventure. So we hop in sa kanyang sasakyan, and then boom, Guimaras Marathon begins. Our first stop is the Rizal Monument. Quick history moment lang, quick photo op, and of course, that amazing pose beside Rizal. We didn't stay long though, dahil syempre, excited pa tayo at marami pa tayong pupuntahan. And then this view, the Guimaras windmills. I swear, I thought we'd just take few pictures, but we ended up staying forever. The wind was so strong, it kept messing my hair. Kunti na nga lang eh. But honestly, it made everything feel cinematic. We tried to get the aesthetic walking shot like influencers, but almost got blown sideways. Worth it naman, 10 out of 10. Lalabanan ko yung hangin na yan. The view from up there, rolling hills, ocean in the distance, giant windmills, it felt like we weren't even in the Philippines for a second. Ang ganda niya. Grabe, ang ganda-ganda dito. Wow! Worth visiting to guys. Pag pumunta kayo Iloilo, kuhain nyo yung Guimaras tour. Para makita nyo to. Napakaganda. Grabe. And our next stop is the man-made forest. And of course, the vibe eventually shifted from windy and epic to calm and peaceful. Grabe, ang ganda ng view din dito. Ang tataas ng puno, ang lamig ng hangin. Of course, pag naglakad ka pa papasok, para ka lang pumunta sa movie scene. And syempre, hindi natin sasayangin tong magandang view na to. Mag-take tayo ng maraming pictures and videos. And of course, we had to stop for the iconic Guimaras signage photo. Siyempre, nandito na tayo, hindi na natin sasayangin yan. Pa-picture na din tayo dyan. Sa dami ng pictures and videos naming nakuha, bigla kaming ginutom. Sakto, may na-recommend si Kuya Steven na kakainan. Pumunta kami dito sa The Pit Stop. Guys, first time ko nakakita, mango on a pizza. Kala ko nung una hindi masarap. Pero promise, pag pumunta kayo dito, wag niyong i-skipan to. Magsisisi kayo. Ang sarap niya. Kung nilagay nila yung mango sa pizza, meron din silang mango pasta. Well, I'm surprised. Ang sarap din niya. Sweet, savory, and creamy. It works. And also, I had a roast chicken. Syempre, favorite natin yun. After lunch, we visited the mango plantation to see their famous grafted mango trees. Sad nga lang kasi hindi mango season ngayon. Pero of course, that's a reason for us to come back. And there's something special that Stephen mentioned. Na kaya masarap ang mangga sa Guimaras kasi super spoiled na ito. Kasi each mango is wrapped in a special paper from Japan and Korea to protect it. Imagine, being that mangga, international protection, premium lifestyle, solid, diba? Our next stop, the Abbey of Our Lady of the Philippines. This is where monks live. Though we didn't see them, but this place itself was so peaceful. It felt like the kind of place where you automatically lower your voice and just breathe. After all the hype earlier, this was a really grounding moment. Then, we headed to the old lighthouse, and yes, there was a bit of climbing involved, but the view at the top is so worth it. You can actually see the island of Negros and Antique from there. Standing up there with the wind hitting your face just makes you appreciate how beautiful this country is. And of course, marami tayong picture takings dyan. And just when we thought the day couldn't get better, we went island hopping. Clear water, white sand, more photos.
Alright, it's time to move on sa kabilang destination. Kat na tayo.
Time to move.
B, may 17 island pa tayo ha. Nakata nyo, huwag kayo matulog. Natok na to. Right.
Kanina pa yun.
Try mo muna mahawak mo.
Oh yeah, grabe. Sarap ng tour. We're done. Thank you, Kuya Steven. Solid. Number one. Magpupunta kayong Guimaras kay Kuya Doming kayo. Bye, Kuya Steven. Solid.
At this point, we were tired, but the happy kind of tired. We wrap up the day with a seafood dinner. And honestly, it was the perfect ending. And of course, kasama din natin dyan si Kuya Stephen. And after the whole day of exploring, sitting down, sharing food, replaying our favorite moments, that's when it really hits you. That was a good day. Huge shout out to our tour guide Stephen, super polite, informative, and made everything smooth from start to finish. Highly recommend their tour service if you're planning to visit. Please look for Kuya Doming via TikTok. You can easily get in touch with them. No hassle-free. Guimaras, you were amazing. But we're definitely coming back during mango season. Because next time, we're getting those mangoes at peak power. See you on the next adventure.
Welcome to the province of Guimaras!